If your Photocard collection lives in your camera roll, a notes app, and a pile of tradeboard screenshots, this is for you. Meet the K-pop Photocard collection and trading tracker, one spreadsheet that catalogs every card you own, hunts your grails, and runs your trades, all in a file you actually own. It starts on the My Photocards tab, your whole collection, one row per card. Pick the group, the member, and the album or version it came from. Then choose a type, a condition, and a status from the dropdowns. Each card colors itself by status, and the line value totals up your estimate for you. The workbook comes preloaded with a fictional example, so you can see exactly how it works before you add a single card. 3 simple lists drive everything. Status says where a card sits, have it, want it, or it's a duplicate up for trade. Condition grades how clean it is, from mint down to damaged. And type records where the card came from. An album inclusion, a pre-order, a lucky draw, a fan sign. Each one has a plain definition, with a collector's glossary right alongside. The Wishlist and Grails tab is where you plan the hunt. List the cards you're chasing, who they are, which version, and why. Then set a priority and a budget. Now you trade with a ceiling in mind instead of in the heat of the moment. And when a grail finally lands, you mark it found and move it over. Your spares go on the trade and sell board. List the card, its condition, and what you'd want in return. Then track each trade from available to pending to done. It's the board you screenshot when someone asks what you have. Clear, current, and honest about condition. And here's the part that makes it feel premium. The collection dashboard reads your whole collection automatically. Cards by group, by type, and by status. Your grails, your duplicates, and an estimate of what the collection is worth. Change a single card, and every count updates on its own. It's more than a spreadsheet. You also get a field guide on grading and trading safely with the full collector's glossary and printable binder inserts for the shelf and the meetup. And it opens natively in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. For Sheets, just click Make a Copy. No importing, nothing to rebuild. Best of all, you own it. No account, no subscription, no app that can add a paywall or disappear with your data. Buy once, and your collection is yours to keep. Grab the K-pop Photocard collection and trading tracker at Ardent Workshop, and start collecting smarter today.